Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's learning time. So dear children, today in this video we are going to study the last topic from the unit number 3, that is lowest common multiple, means LCM. So let us study the definition of the lowest common multiple, that is LCM. The lowest number is a multiple of two other numbers. Means what? Here we have to find the multiples of the given number. From that there are more than 2 or 3 multiples are there, but among that we have to find the smallest or the lowest multiple which can be divided by the given numbers. Okay, so see here I have taken one example here. Find the LCM of 3 and 4. So we have to find the LCM of 3 and 4. So the first write down the multiples of 3. Multiples of 3 means you have to write down the numbers which can be divided by 3. Okay. So the multiple of 3s are 3 itself, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36, etc. Then write down the multiples of 4. Multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, then 36, 40 and so on. So after that what we have to do? We have to find out the common multiples between these two numbers. Okay, so the common multiples are, see here, 12 is present in the 3's multiple also and 12 is present in the 4's multiple also. So these both are the multiples, common multiples of 4. Then 24 and 24 are the common multiples of 3 and 4. Again 36 will come. Like that with the multiples, common multiples we have to find out. Okay, then after that what we have to do? We have to find the lowest common multiple. LCM means the lowest common multiple, and see here 24 is the greatest one and 12 is the smallest one or lowest one. So 12 is the answer. Therefore the LCM of 3 and 4 is 12. So here also to find the LCM of the given number there is one method, that is prime factorization method. Now we are going to study how to find the LCM of a given numbers by using prime factorization method. So see here I have taken one example here. Find the LCM of 12, 36 and 60 by prime factorization method. So here in prime factorization, as I already told you, write down the numbers one by one. After that find the multiples or the factorize the 12. After that factorize the 36 and then the 60. So this, it is a common or it is the easiest method to find the factors. First write down 2, as 2 is present in the ones place, it is divisible by 2. 2 6s are 12, 2 3s are 6, 3 1s are 3. So the factors or the after factorization we will get 2 into 3, that is 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. Then same way factorize this 36. 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. So the factors of 36 is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. These are the after factorization we will get like this. Okay, then same way factorize this 60. 2 3s are 6, 0 is to 0. 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10, 3 5s are 15, 5 1s are 5. After factorization what we'll get? 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Now for the LCM, therefore LCM is equal to, the next step is again you have to find out the common numbers. So see here, these 2 are present in all these 3's. So it is a common. Again 2 is present in all the 3 lines, it is common. Then 3 is present in all the lines, then it is also common. So write down these all first. 2 into 2 into 3. So this much you know about in HCF. We already did this. Okay, but in LCM what we have to do? First circle the common ones, write down the one from the each group. After that whichever will remaining here na, that also you have to write down. Okay, which number lastly remains, that numbers also you have to write down. and after that you have to multiply this. You have to multiply these numbers. Okay, so remember children, first make a groups of common numbers, then write down that in one side. After that, whichever numbers will left in after in factorization, that also you have to write down in the answer. Okay, so 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36, 36 5s are 36 into 5, 5 6s are 30, 5 3s are 15, 15 plus 3 is 18. So the answer is 118. Our LCM is 118. Okay. So what we have to do here? First factorize these given numbers. Circle the common numbers. Take down that from one group, one number. And after that take down the remaining numbers also. Then multiply. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36, 36 5s are 118. So let us take one more example. Okay. So take down one example like 48 and 96. First factorize this 48, then factorize this 96. Factorize this 48. Okay, after factorization what we'll get? 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 6s are 12, then 2 3s are 6, 3 1s are 3. Then we will get 1 2 3 4 times 2, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 1 time 3. The same way factorize this 96. 2 4s are 8, 2 8s are 16, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 6s are 12, 2 3s are 6, 3 1s are 3. Then here 1 2 3 4 5, 5 times 2, 2 3 4 5 and 1 time 3. Okay, after that what we have to do? We have to circle the common numbers. It is a common, here is also it is a common, then this is also common, this is also common, then this number is common. Okay, therefore LCM is equal to 1 2 3 4, 4 times 2, 1 2 3 4, then 1 time 3. Then which number? Only one number remains here, that write down lastly, that is 2. Then multiply. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 3s are 48, 48 2s are 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8 and 96. So our therefore LCM is equal to 96. This is our answer. I hope you understood this part. If you like this video, then please press the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel. It's learning time. Till then, be safe in your home. Thank you.